All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 11, which is the Giannis graded card. So we'll check the time, February 18th at 11. Let's let this roll over here, 11:14 a.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have February 18th at 11:14 a.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 10 times. All right, here we go. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Alan. Spot 6 is your winner. So, Alan, whatever we open in break number 11 is yours. There is our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, February 18th, 11:14 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.